I'm just here about to install my little bumper thingy. I'm not sure if I told you guys what these were. Basically, what these are CNC printed, precision adjustable bumper mounts. Yeah. So as you guys know, E46 got this horrible issue right here. How much gap you got, bro? Tight. Shout out Steven. So yeah, how much gap you got, bro?
Turn it off now. I gotta get the wood.
Here, you can see this side's not too bad. It's kind of crazy, but it's not that bad. So you're coming out to the rear here. Rear looks like ass-tastic. So what this shit does basically is CNC printed, 3D printed. Should be perfect alignment. Plus it has a little bit of adjustability. So I'm gonna try my hand at this shit. Give a little product review. Motherfuckers hit me up if you need this. Alright. Just have to remove the last three screws and the bumper cover. I think, hopefully, and then this bitch could slide off. I think I gotta get one in here too. It's like my E30 or E36. That's pretty much what it is. Okay, never a pain in the ass.
Back here, put the bumper over here.
Got the bumper off finally. Kevlar gang apparently. Trippy, carbon fiber, something. So yeah, this is what these pieces are. Hold on, I'm just gotta grab it. Bam. So, allegedly. Okay, that does not look the same, but okay. Okay, but yeah, that's basically what this is. Replacement. I'm gonna screw that. And clear bright. So we're just doing a little examination of the difference between these. So aside from the fact of them being a little more beefy, sturdy, you know, precision printed, you can see that the adjustment is basically the holes here. You see the spacing here. It basically allows you to get the adjustment range here, and you can tighten it as you may. Not too sure how, but apparently it's gonna work. Seems like a pain in the ass, but hopefully it's worth it. No way. Steve's letting me take his M3 for a rip with the 410 diff. Oh my god, this is gonna be absolutely nuts. I don't think I can get any footage though. Holy shit. Yo, this is fun. Yo, it feels like it has boost. What? What? No way. Dude, it feels like it has boost. Chill. Okay, now I have to let him drive mine. My car was set up, bro. You're gonna have a nice time at the track, dude. This tune is very, very linear. Like, it's very smooth, but it's very linear. Like, mine feels a lot more aggressive, to be honest. But, wow, it's so hard to explain. It's just like you're in boost the whole time. First gear is definitely usable. Sorta. Oh, these gears are perfect. Yo, what the fuck? This car should have came like this. Wow. It's like a 70s vet. Look at that shit. Big Batmobile. Damn, bitch. Look at this light vibes. That's crazy. This shit is big derelict. Holy, so small. Look at the her shifter. Holy fuck, that's hilarious. Damn, it's probably got a big block in it. Big Batmobile, man. Dang. Oh, neat. Oh, non-functional. Damn, these are beast. Oh, this is what you need to push.
Yeah.
We're pushing this bitch. This is intense. More. Hard. Say curling.
Okay.
Hard. Sick. That was 3 human power engine.
Yo, I just put.
It's so big.
I put 2 buckets here and just drive it just as is.
I know, eh?
No doors, no trunk, be perfect.
Just put a Supercharged LS. I'd be like, nigga, just here about to do a little car wash. Well, fuck all that classy rich shit, nigga. We in the gutter, nigga. Feel me? What the fuck is that? Sweet. But yeah, nigga about to get a little car wash here and then we'll pull up with some of my niggas. Shit. You know, we gotta pull up crispy, extra clean and shit out here, you know? Niggas work too hard to not have this shit clean and shit, you feel me? So this is the before, I'm gonna see y'all niggas the after. Bow. People, look what time it is. Wait, nope, hold up. That's my gas mileage. Look what time it is, people. 11:59, damn near midnight. Look at this. We're on the highway. Yeah, what's good, bruh? What's good? Yo, Doug Ford. The fuck, bruh? What's good with all this traffic? Like, truth be told, I work in the construction sector, and I understand why. 'Cause there's like schedules to uphold in certain slots, but bruh, it's midnight. Like, where all these people going? Like, nigga, this is like I'm going 20 on the highway at midnight. Ugh. Anyways, I'm just about to head up to a little Toge's. About to hit up some twisties. Got some buddies I'm gonna go meet up. They're kind of camera shy, so I don't think I'm gonna get any footage. But it's more or less just some seat time things, you know? Going to the track on Monday. The stop techs are doing great. Actually too great, which is hilarious enough. The fronts are definitely more overpowered than the rears. I'm not too sure what's on the rears. I haven't touched the brakes since I got the car, so only now, you know, decided to touch the brakes, toss on the stop techs, pads and rotors. I like it. It feels like stock. Like, I love it. The pedal travel, pedal sensitivity and whatnot, so similar to stock. So fuck with it. It's just, you know, a lot more power. But what I'm wondering is if it's a lot more power due to a type placebo effect, because I just have like little to no brakes left, even though the mechanic that worked on my car, shout out the homie, which is a homie, because I only bring my cars 2 homies, so I don't fuck with randoms. Yeah, he said I had plenty of brake left, so I didn't really need to change them. Okay, traffic cleared up, so now it's time to hit some NA. Boom! I love peso, bitch. Y'all fuck niggas don't even know what this shit is. So up top, real life. Y'all niggas breaking lies. Yeah. When she see my face in real life, she say it's amazing. My whip so low that this shit is scraping. Watch your head. Riding through the city, bitch, I'm scheming on the bread. I
cannot trust that bitch or myself. Pull up to the cafe, caught cushy from the top shelf. I just want my paper, dodging all these haters. Hop up out that black whip, vintage like Darth Vader. Got the wax up on my board, grinding real hard. Used to be sad and bored, now I'm chilling on the boulevard. I cannot fuck with that bitch, she a clown. See me flexing BHA, riding around the town. I'm not talking